Hi friends, I am Parvati Krishnan. Today's topic is fermented foods. Food fermentation has been in existence since ancient times. Fermentation is considered as one of the oldest form of food biotechnology. So, let us see the fermented foods in detailed form. This is our contact details. First, we will see the contents of fermented foods. Definition: health benefits, cereal based fermented foods, pulse based fermented foods, cereal and pulse based fermented foods, and milk based fermented foods. Let us see the definition of fermentation. It may be defined as a process for the production of a product by the mass culture of microorganisms. Fermentation proved to offer several benefits. It improves nutritional and sensorial qualities of the substrate, thus makes it palatable. It reduces toxins and anti-nutritive factors of the substrate. In addition, recent researchers proved biological functions of fermented foods affected due to functional microbes involved during fermentation, which provide several health promoting benefits to the consumers. Thus, fermented foods satisfy considerable portion of consumers' nutritional and health needs. Due to nutritional significance and functional importance, traditional fermented foods occupy an important place in the diet of people, particularly from African and Asian countries. Health benefits of fermented foods. During traditional fermentation process, locally available ingredients which may be of plant or animal origin are converted into edible products by the physiological activities of microorganisms. Fermentation of food with lactic acid bacteria increases folic acid in yogurt. Similarly, niacin and riboflavin levels in yogurt are increased with fermentation. Lactic acid bacteria are known to release various enzymes and vitamins into the intestinal lumen. This exerts synergistic effects on digestion, alleviating symptoms of intestinal malabsorption, and produced lactic acid, which lowers the pH of the intestinal content. Now we will see the cereal based fermented foods. Kool. Kool is the Tamil name for porridge made from millet. Finger millet, a traditional South Indian weaning food, it is also consumed in the fermented form as food in rural and urban households. It is made from kelvaragu or kambu flour and broken rice in a mud pot. It is consumed as a breakfast and during festival time by the rural population. It is easily digested and it cools the body. Therefore, during summer street vendors sell it as a cool drink in South India. It is consumed as breakfast or lunch. It is usually made in large batches and gives a sour tang flavor if fermented. The semi-solid kool is later liquefied for consumption by adding water and salt and optionally buttermilk, onion, curry leaves and coriander leaves. It is served with side dishes including green chilies, raw onion, pickles and mango, spiced with red chili and sometimes dry fish gravy. This is the flowchart of preparation of kool. First, millet of interest grinded to flour. Then the flour is mixed in water at the ratio of 2:1 and incubated at room temperature till souring, which takes 12 to 15 hours. This is a primary fermentation. Then cooked in earthen pot and again incubated at room temperature till souring, which takes 12 to 15 hours. This is a secondary fermentation. Then fortified with curd and broken rice, and finally kool is ready to consume. Advantages of kool. Finger millet kool is one of the popular traditional foods made in South India. It is an excellent hydrating drink and is favorable for easy digestion and health maintenance. It is commonly consumed by rural population for breakfast and lunch. The germinated and fermented finger millet flour is largely used in preparation of weaning food, instant mixes, beverages and pharmaceutical products. Then the next one is fermented rice or palayasoru. It is prepared by adding water to cooked rice and by incubating the mixture overnight and finally adding buttermilk and salt and directly consumed. The water is drained off and used to cook vegetables or mixed with buttermilk and salt for direct consumption. It is an early morning diet for farmers prior to going to the field. Advantages of fermented rice. It provides energy for the whole day. The body feels less tired. It helps with allergies and skin related problems, and it removes all types of ulcers. Ambali. It is a fermented product from ragi. Ragi ambali is one of the extremely nutritious and easier to digest breakfast, which is similar to ragi porridge. Ambali is a finger millet based fermented semi-liquid product of South Indian states Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Preparation method includes mixing of finger millet flour with water to make a thick batter and followed by cooking and fermentation. Ambali is consumed as such or with buttermilk for taste. Advantages of Ambali. Ambali is considered a geriatric food because of the presence of high calcium and low resistant starch in finger millet. It consists of sufficient amount of calcium and is a healthy drink for elderly people. Siddu. It is a traditionally fermented, steam cooked oval or disc-shaped dish prepared as a delicacy in rural areas of Kullu and Shimla districts. In Siddu preparation, wheat flour, spices, mixed paste of opium seeds or walnut or black gram are the main ingredients. Siddu is served hot with desi ghee or chutney, and these days it is also served as a traditional local dish in many restaurants in Kullu. It is prepared as a special or occasional dish in the rural areas. Pulse-based fermented foods. Kinema. It is usually consumed by indigenous people of eastern Himalayan regions of Darjeeling Hills and Sikkim as a good and cheap source of protein. It is a fermented, ammonia-flavored, alkaline food prepared from soya beans. The product of fermented soya bean is salted, deep fat fried and consumed along with rice and vegetables. It is also consumed as a soup along with green vegetables. Advantages of kinema. It is a good and cheap source of protein. It promotes antioxidant properties, digestion of protein, essential amino acids, vitamin B complex and low cholesterol contents. Puppet. It is a savory food and wafer-like product. Take black gram flour or a blend of black gram with Bengal gram, lentil, red gram or green gram flour is hand kneaded with a small quantity of peanut oil, common salt and then pounded into a stiff paste. The dough is left to ferment for 1 to 6 hours. The fermented dough is shaped into small balls which are rolled into thin circular flat sheets and generally dried in the shade to 12 to 17% moisture content. Jalebi. It is a sweetened fermented product made from maida, dahi and water. The fermented batter is a deep fat fried in oil in spiral shapes and immersed in sugar syrup for few minutes. This traditional food is prepared during marriage ceremonies and festivals of South India. This dessert can be served warm or cold. They have a somewhat chewy texture with a crystallized sugary exterior coating. Citric acid or lime juice is sometimes added to the syrup as well as rose water. Jalebi is eaten with curd or rabri along with optional other flavors such as kivra. Cereal and pulse-based fermented foods. Idli. It is a naturally fermented batter prepared from a mixture of milled rice and dehulled black gram dal. It is consumed as breakfast along with chutney and sambar. Among the fermented food of India, idli, a fermented steamed product with a soft and spongy texture, is a highly popular and widely consumed snack food in India. This traditional food is a good source of protein and calorie. They are easily digested and often used as food for infants and invalids. Normally, idli fermentation is a natural fermentation. Sometimes sour buttermilk or yeast is added to enhance fermentation. Kanjipuram idli is a type of popular idli. During its cooking, cashew nuts, ghee, salt, pepper, ginger, and cumin are added to enhance taste. Advantages of idli. It is a good source of protein. It reduces weight loss and it is easily digested and rich in vitamins. Kallappam. It is a very popular breakfast item from Kerala. It is also made in Tamil Nadu and Sri Lanka. These are spongy pancakes made with fermented raw rice and coconut batter. It is also known as the palappam. Yeast is also added. Palappam batter is thinner and is made in the traditional appachatti. That means appam pan. Vellappam batter is thicker and is made in a normal pan. Preparation of kallappam. Parboiled rice and raw rice in equal proportion are soaked overnight. Black gram dal is also soaked and dehulled and they are ground into a smooth thin batter along with soaked fenugreek seeds and coconut. This is left overnight at room temperature for fermentation during the preparation of kallappam. Fermented toddy is added to the batter as an additional source of lab. The fermented batter is prepared into either as steamed cakes, idli, or as pancakes, dosa, appam, before it gets too soured. Dokla. It is also similar to idli, but black gram is replaced by Bengal gram in the preparation. A mixture of rice and chickpea flour is also used as the substrate for the fermentation. In dokla preparation, coarsely ground meals of wheat, maize or varagu instead of rice and soya bean, peas, red gram, moth beans instead of Bengal gram is used. Preparation of dokla. First, take Bengal gram dal and wash, then soak it for 4 to 6 hours, then grind finely in a mortar. Similarly, take white polished rice and wash it, then soak it for 4 to 6 hours and grind coarsely in a mortar. Then combine the slurries into a thick batter and mix well. And add approximately 1 part curd. Then incubate overnight at a warm place 30 to 32 degrees Celsius and add green chilies and a table salt. Then add batter on a greasy plate and steam in a suitable pan. Then cut into squares and season with coriander leaves, green chilies, mustard and asafoetida. And finally, dokla is ready to consume. Milk-based fermented foods. Rabadi. Rabadi is an indigenous natural cereal-based lactic fermented milk beverage popular in northwestern semi-arid regions of India. The product is consumed either directly or after dilution with milk or buttermilk. Preparation of rabadi. Flour of cereals or pulses are mixed with buttermilk and fermented for 4 to 6 hours or overnight at 35 to 45 degrees Celsius. Shrikhand. Shrikhand is a popular fermented sweetened indigenous dairy product having semi-solid consistency with typical sweetish sour taste. It is very popular in the state of Gujarat, Maharashtra and part of Karnataka. Preparation of Shrikhand. Take skim milk. Then heat treatment is given at 85 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Then cooling to 30 degrees Celsius inoculation. Then incubate for 10 to 12 hours. Then dahi is added. Then the milk is left undisturbed overnight at room temperature to set firmly. It is then stirred and hung in a muslin cloth for 10 to 12 hours to drain off whey. The curd mass obtained after removal of whey is called as chakka. Chakka is then added with calculated amount of sugar, color flavor and other optional ingredients like fruits, nuts, spices, herbs and cooled to 10 degrees Celsius or less. The yield of chapka produced traditionally is about 650 gram per 1000 gram of milk, and yield of Srikanth is about 1.5 to 2.0 kilogram per kg of chakka. So here we come to the end point. These are the fermented foods. In next class we will see another topic. Thank you for watching us.